Hi, today I'm going to show you the new features of the MetalFab SketchUp Extension version 2.4. We have new setting in setting dialog, presentation unit, so we can now choose between metric and imperial units. So if I select this one, imperial units, and if I create few profiles, let's say like that, let's add this one as well, and when I create bill of material report, I will get weight of every part in selected unit. Also, I will get overall weight for the profile. There is also new overall profiles weight. So previous there were no overall weight of used profiles, and now I can see that. We now see the weight of part and overall bars weight. So this is summary of the weight for all bars that we need to buy to be able to cut our profiles. So when I change presentation units to second one and press bill of materials again, I will get same values, but with weight is in kilograms. So every profile in library has its own settings dialog, and we can set weight. We can set how many kilograms this profile weighs for every 1 meter of the length, as well what is the cost of 1 kilogram of this profile. So if I set it, later I will get proper calculation in the bill of material. When I change presentation units to imperial and I go to edit, profile edit, now I can see that units changed, so I can set all values in proper units that I need.